everyone, we're here with Joel from Hubbell Wiring Devices here at the Waco Trade Show. And we're excited to hear about what's new from them this year. And he has a couple products to showcase.
So yes, our new products this year is our new edge technology and our twist lock and straight blade devices. So now when they're installing these, it is a quick click and the wire's installed. They're not having to wrap the wire, put tape around it, things of that nature. Yeah. They are quick to disconnect if they get it wrong. Even though we've color coded it, it gets a great crimp on the wire. We're also offering this in our twist lock devices, all the 30 amp, 20 amp, 30 amp twist lock, same way.
The edge technology.
All the spring terminal edge technology. You can hear it click. I hope you could hear it click.
Yeah.
And then once again, same screwdriver, disconnects it as well, in case they get it wrong. We also have our full line of disconnects with LEDs, jog switch, and standard. They do come with auxiliary contacts, slope top as well. And then we also have our Advantage pin and sleeve line. So now if they have to disconnect under load or move a product, they can disconnect, and it's that quick and easy. And we're also offering this in a stainless back box as well as the poly.
So is this wash down proof?
Yes. All these items are IP69K rated for wash down in all the plants, along with our disconnects as well.
Can you tell us a little bit about these?
So these are the same. This has our edge technology in it as well, just like the twist lock devices. So now when they're wiring these up, we're getting rid of these screw terminals. No more trying to get it in correctly. They can just slide their wires in, snap, and they're ready to, no more screwdriver into the hand.
Ease of installation.
Ease of installation, speed of installation, and safety of installation.
Yeah.
Yeah, no more screws.
And you'll have a time saving calculator, right? The labor cost saving.
Yeah, all this, so we'll take all the devices that they're gonna install, all the switches, receptacles with this, put those in there and let the contractor know there's a little upcharge on the device, but here's how much of the labor savings that you're gonna have.
So show us the edge technology one more time, up close.
Okay. So here we go, the wire goes in, they toggle this back, it clips in, and it's in there. So now if they need to disengage it, they can just take their screwdriver, click that back up, and there's the crimp on the wire.
And it used to take six to 8 minutes to wire one of these.
6 to 8 minutes to wire one. So now the average electrician can do about 10 of these an hour. Now they're doing about 30 an hour.
Yeah, that's huge.
So not only did it save a little bit of money, it saved them the time, so now they're able to work on other projects around the job site.
Thanks for coming to see Hubbell Wiring Devices at the Waco Trade Show today.
No, we appreciate it.
Joel.
Thank you guys. Appreciate you having us. Thank you.